Ladies and gentlemen, I'm so grateful that you're here today. I believe that something powerful is in store for each and every one of you. Today, I want to talk about a subject that many overlook, yet it carries deep spiritual significance, a divine wake-up call. Have you ever found yourself suddenly awake between 3 a.m. and 5 a.m., unable to explain why? Maybe you assumed it was just a restless night or a disruption to your precious sleep. But what if I told you that this moment is far from accidental? You see, during these early hours, a divine shift is taking place. It's a window of opportunity, a sacred time where the distractions of the day are silenced, and you can tap into something greater than yourself. It's an invitation from God, a chance for spiritual alignment, clarity, and breakthrough, instead of viewing these moments as an inconvenience. What if you embraced them as an opportunity? What if waking up at this time was actually a divine signal, a sign that God is calling you closer? Today I want to share 3 powerful things you can do when you wake up between 3 a.m. and 5 a.m. These simple, yet life-changing steps will help you shift your perspective and unlock the next level in your life. Are you ready? 1. Recognizing the divine invitation in stillness. Most of us are caught up in the noise and busyness of daily life, our minds constantly racing, filled with to-do lists, worries, and responsibilities. The world demands our attention from the moment we wake up, leaving little room for stillness. But in the early morning hours, when the world is quiet, you are given a divine gift. There are no emails, phone calls, or social media notifications vying for your attention. In this sacred stillness, God's voice becomes clearer, and His presence becomes more tangible. The power of spiritual awakening. Many people assume that waking up at this hour is due to stress, anxiety, or an overactive mind. But what if it's your soul awakening? What if your spirit is trying to remind you of something deeper, that you are not alone? When you wake up at this time, rather than resisting it, lean into it. See it as an invitation to be fully present with your thoughts, your emotions, and most importantly, your Creator. 2. Seeking clarity through reflection and prayer. Once you recognize this divine invitation, the next step is to embrace reflection and prayer. These moments offer a rare opportunity to check in with yourself, realign your spirit, and seek divine wisdom. The power of reflection. Reflection is a powerful tool for growth and self. Too often, we move through life without stopping to evaluate where we are, what we feel, and where we're headed. But in the quiet of the early morning, you can pause and ask yourself important questions. What am I grateful for today? What challenges am I facing? And what lessons can I learn from them? Am I aligned with my true purpose? What is God trying to reveal to me? Taking the time to reflect allows you to see beyond surface-level worries and focus on the bigger picture. It helps you recognize patterns, release what no longer serves you, and embrace new possibilities. The power of prayer. Prayer is more than a ritual, it's a conversation with God, a sacred moment of connection. When you wake up in the stillness of the night, your spirit is more receptive to divine guidance. This is the time to pour out your heart, your gratitude, your struggles, your hopes, whether through whispered words, silent meditation, or journaling your prayers. This practice can bring profound peace and clarity. Thank God for His presence and the gift of another day. Seek guidance for decisions you need to make. Surrender your worries and anxieties, trusting in divine wisdom. Ask for strength, courage, and direction as you navigate life's challenges. By embracing prayer in these sacred hours, you set a spiritual foundation for your day, one rooted in faith, peace, and divine purpose. 3. Setting intentions and aligning with purpose. After reflecting and praying, the next step is to set your intentions for the day ahead. This isn't just about making a to-do list. It's about aligning your thoughts, energy, and actions with your higher calling. The power of setting intentions helps you approach the day with clarity, focus, and purpose. It shifts your mindset from being reactive to proactive. Instead of allowing external circumstances to dictate your mood, you take control of how you respond. Ask yourself, who do I want to be today? What kind of energy do I want to bring into my interactions? How can I serve others and make a positive impact? What goals am I working toward, and what steps can I take today to get closer to them? By setting clear intentions, you align your day with your values, ensuring that every action you take is purposeful and meaningful, inviting God into your intentions. When you set intentions, don't do it alone. Invite God into the process. Surrender your plans and ask for His guidance. Align your intentions with His will, trusting that He is directing your path. This practice allows you to walk in faith, knowing that no matter what happens throughout the day, you are being divinely led. 4. Practicing self-care and personal growth. Another transformative action to take during these early hours is investing in self-care and self-improvement. Physical self-care. Your body is a vessel, and how you care for it impacts your mind and spirit. In these quiet moments, engage in activities that nourish your physical well-being, stretching or light movement to awaken your body, hydrating with water to refresh your system, eating a healthy breakfast to fuel your energy. Caring for your body is an act of gratitude, a way of honoring the life and strength you've been given. Mental and emotional self-care. Your mind needs nourishment just as much as your body. Use this time for activities that bring you peace and clarity. Journaling to process thoughts and emotions, reading something inspiring or uplifting, practicing deep breathing or meditation to center yourself. By prioritizing mental and emotional well-being, you cultivate resilience, focus, and inner peace. Spiritual self-care. Above all, spiritual self-care is essential. When you dedicate time to nurture your soul, whether through worship, scripture reading, or simply sitting in God's presence, you build a foundation of faith that carries you through life's challenges. Final thoughts. Embracing the sacred call. Waking up between 3 a.m. and 5 a.m. is not just a random event. It is a divine invitation, a sacred moment where the noise of the world fades and the whispers of God become clearer. Instead of seeing it as an inconvenience, embrace it as an opportunity. Recognize the stillness as a divine invitation. Use this time for reflection and prayer. Set intentions and align your day with purpose. Invest in self-care and personal growth. When you shift your perspective, these moments will no longer feel like disturbances. Instead, they will become the most powerful and transformative moments of your life. So the next time you find yourself awake in the early morning hours, don't fight it. Lean into it. Listen, pray, reflect, grow. Because in these sacred hours, breakthroughs happen, clarity is found, peace is restored, and most importantly, God speaks. Are you ready to embrace the call?